Welcome guys sa panibago na namang Sir Ed's Math Tutorial. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin or we are going to discuss problems involving quadrilaterals. So before we present the problems, let us first identify ano nga ba yung tinatawag nating quadrilaterals. Okay? So this is the family tree of the quadrilaterals. So tandaan lang natin guys na kapag quadrilaterals, ang sides ay apat. So come from the word quad means 4 and lateral means side. So meaning these sides or these figures has all 4 sides or they have all 4 sides. Okay, so the general term is the quadrilateral. Meron tayo tatlong klase but definitely meron tayo dapat apat dito. The fourth one is trapezium, which is no parallel sides, no? So, ito kasi guys, no parallel sides din ito. So, pwede sabihin siya KITE, no? Pero itong KITE kasi meron siyang equal sides, itong dalawa. So, this is also equal. Now, so let's start with the parallelogram. So, the parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of opposite sides are equal and congruent. And also, lahat ng angles na kasama sa quadrilateral, ang equivalent ay 360 degrees as interior angles or total interior angles. Okay, so this is a parallelogram. At rectangle, rhombus, and square are all part of the parallelogram. But rectangle and rhombus are just the sub-parallelogram, no? And square is another type of rectangle and another type of rhombus. So rectangle lang guys and square, ang pagkakaparehas lang nila, they have both 90-degree angles. Kaya lang, all sides of square are equal. And then also sa rhombus naman, all sides are equal. Pero, ang angles nila guys ay hindi pare-parehas. Only the opposite sides are equal. So itong opposite sides ng rhombus, same with the parallelogram and square and rectangle, lahat sila, opposite sides or opposite angles are all equal. So ito rin, opposite side or angles, equal din ang sukat niyan. So same with the parallelogram sa taas, pare-parehas po sila ang sukat. Okay, dito naman sa trapezoid, meron tayong dalawang klase ng trapezoid na. So which are the right trapezoid, meaning kapag merong right angle sa isang trapezoid, that is right trapezoid. And kapag ang trapezoid naman ay merong two pairs of sides or one pair of sides are equal, ang tawag naman po doon ay isosceles trapezoid. Now, also, ang angle ng isosceles trapezoid dito and dito are equal. And this one are also equal. Yung dalawang angles na nasa side ng isang isosceles trapezoid here, yung kung saan opposite niya yung or adjacent niya yung parallel sides, ang equivalent nito guys ay supplementary. Okay, pag sinabi nating supplementary, that is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So, tandaan niyo palagi yan. Same with the parallelograms, they are all supplementary. So, magkasunod. Okay? So, 180 lang yan. Okay, for the KITE naman, sa quadrilateral, yung two angles lang dito ang magkaparehas. Okay, so that is the adjacent of two unequal sides here. Yung angle na nasa taas at nasa bottom ay magkaiba po ng sukat. Also, if we draw a diagonals ng KITE, if we have here the diagonals, they will form a right angle at the middle, kung saan sila nag-meet. Same with the rhombus guys pala. Sa rhombus, ganun din. Kapag naglagay tayo ng diagonal sa rhombus, we can have also what we call right angle. Okay? So, tandaan nyo po palagi ito. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, so let us discuss first the problem number 1 here. So, the problem states that the angles of the quadrilaterals are in the ratio of 2:3:5:8. So we are going to find all the measures of the angles. Okay, so as what I've said a while ago guys, ang total po palagi ng measurement ng interior angles of a quadrilateral ay always 360 degrees. Kaya lang, ang problem natin ay nasa ratio po ang angles nila. So in every 2 degrees ng isang angle, ang isang angle naman may 3 degrees, may 5 degrees, and may 8 degrees. So since ang total niya ay 360, we are going to assume or let x be the value of the angle, no? So just add lang po yan. So basta ang total nito guys ay 360. So we let x. So meaning, let x be the measure of angle. Measure of the angle. So yung gagawin lang natin, i-add lang natin ito, no? So we have here 2, 3, 5, and 8. So we have 2x, we have 3x, we have 5x, and 8x. So all we have to do is to add, and then total natin, equate natin siya sa 360. So we have 2x, 3x, 5x, and 8x. This is equivalent to, pag pinag-add natin, that is, we have 2x plus 3x plus 5x plus 8x. And since all the total angles is 360, kaya equal to 360 degrees. Okay? So, addition lang, 2, 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 8 is 18. So, we have 18x, that is equal to 360 degrees. So, kapag divide natin siya by 18, then 18, 360 equal to 20. Okay? So, 360 divided by 18 is 20. So, x now is equal to 20. Now, we are going to substitute it to every angle na nasa quadrilateral po. Now, okay, so since x is equal to 20, we have 2 times x. So, we have here 2x is equal to 2 times 20 will be 40 degrees. The other one is 3x. So we have 3 times 20, we have 60 degrees. We have now 5x, so 5 times 20, we have now 100 degrees. And the last one is the 8x, so we have 8 times x or 8 times 20, we have now 160 degrees. So add them all together, we have 40 plus 60 is 100, plus 100 is 200, then plus 160, we have now 360 degrees. So that is, these are all the measures of the angles. Okay, number 2 problem guys. Ito may figure tayo, no? Pero the only given or is the angle or the measure of the angle TOP. Okay, so meaning angle O ito. Pero nasa labas. So TOP. So that only means guys, ang 125 degrees ay nasa labas ng isang quadrilateral or parallelogram. Okay, so since this is a parallelogram, okay, let's say for example, MNOP and T. Okay, since ganyan po ang sukat niya, itong angle na nandito guys, so this is 125. As you can see, this is a straight angle, no? Ito yung nasa taas. So automatic guys, yung TOP and then angle MNP or NOP, sorry, ang TOP and NOP are supplementary. So pag inad natin yan, angle or the measure of angle T, we have measure of the angle TOP, ito yun, TOP, and or plus the measure of angle NOP, yung nasa loob, we have NOP, ang total po niya is supplementary or 180 degrees. It's because this is a straight angle. Okay? So kung 180 ang total niya, subtract lang natin ito by 180. Makukuha na natin itong angle na to. Okay, so since ang hinahanap natin ay MNO, ito pang hahanapin natin. Okay? So this is equal to this one. Ito naman po ay equivalent siya dito. Okay? So equivalent yan dito. Ito naman ay equivalent dito. So ito muna hahanapin natin. So para mahanap yung angle NOP, subtract lang natin sa by 180 since supplementary sila. So we have now 180 minus 125, that is equal to 55 degrees. Okay? So we have now 55 degrees as measure of this one, yung nasa loob. Okay, so that is the angle NOP, which is 55 degrees. Kasi 55 plus 125 is 180 degrees. Ngayon, itong magkasunod na angle guys, ng isang parallelogram, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, dun sa before tayo mag-start ng problem, is also supplementary or 180 din po ang total nila. So if this is 55, ang kulang po natin is another 125 degrees. Okay? So again, also the measure of angle MNO is 125 degrees. So this is 55. This is 125 degrees. They are supplementary. So ito naman, since opposite sila, this is also 55 degrees. Opposite, we have now 125 degrees. So the measure of angle MNO is 125 degrees. Okay? Okay, for the third problem, guys. Okay, so as you can see in the figure, we have the parallelogram DLSU. Okay? So, at meron tayong dalawang diagonals na nag-meet sa point A na nandito. Okay? So, ang given natin ay LA, yung sukat itong isang kalahati ng diagonal, which is x minus 4. And then the other one, AU, is 3x minus 25. Okay, tandaan natin guys, na kapag parallelogram siya, automatic, ang diagonal po ay parehas po ang sukat kapag nahati siya ng isa ring diagonal. Ito yun. So, bisector po yan. So, sabihin, yung sukat nito at ng sukat nito ay parehas lang po. Also, yung sukat nito na AS at ang sukat ni AD ay parehas din. Pero hindi po pwede na LA is equivalent to AS. Hindi po pwede kasi parallelogram po ito, no? So magkaiba po ang sukat nito. Kung rhombus po siya, pwede pong pare-parehas din po yan. Pero since this is parallelogram, that becomes yung LA is only equal to AU. So hahatiin po yan ng isang diagonal dito. Okay? So since ang problem or ang given ay only x minus 4 and 3x minus 6, 26, pwede natin silang gamitin para mahanap muna yung value ng x. Okay? So since ang expression natin is the measurement of LA is equivalent to or congruent to the measure of AU, pwede natin gamitin ito. Pero ang hinahanap natin ay yung LU mismo, yung haba ng isang diagonal. So, para mahanap yan, i-add lang natin yung sukat ng dalawa. Okay? So, ito lang gamitin natin. LA is x minus 4. That is equal to AU is 3x minus 26. So, combining like terms lang tayo, we have x minus 3x. We have now negative 26 plus 4. So, we have negative 2x. That is equal to negative 22. So, since negative 26 plus 4 yan, so subtraction tayo. Also, this is subtraction. Now, dividing both sides by negative 2, we have now x is equal to 11. This is just the value of x and this is not the measure. Okay, so para makuha natin yung sukat, and let's find out kung dapat equal silang dalawa, no? Substitute lang natin yung x. So, since LA is x minus 4, we have now x replaced natin by 11. So, we have 11 minus 4 is equal to LA. And that is equal to 11 minus 4 is 7. So, that is the measure of LA. Now, for the AU naman, we have 3x minus 26. Replace x by 11. So, we have now 3 times 11 minus 26. That is now equal to AU. So, 3 times 11, we have now 33, and minus 26, that is equal to AU, and 33 minus 26 is also equal to 7. So, meaning, equal po sila. Okay? So, therefore, makukuha na natin si LU. This is 7, and this is 7. The measurement of LU is now 14 units. Okay? So, this is your problem number 3. Go. Okay, for the last problem, we have now ABCD is a kind of quadrilateral kite. Okay? So, kung babalikan lang natin ang definition ng isang quadrilateral kite, ito po siya, no? So, here, meron tayong markings dito, guys, na automatic yung dalawang angles na yan, opposite ay equal. Okay? So, these are also the given. The measure of angle ABC is 3x plus 10 degrees. We have the measure of angle BCD is x plus 15 degrees, and the measure of angle ADC is 30 degrees. Now, ang hahanapin natin ay yung tatlong angles na to. We have ABC, BCD, and BAD. The best thing to do, guys, is to supply first the given na dun sa figure para hindi na kayo malito. Try na natin yung may sukat, which is angle ADC. We have now A, D, and C, which is equal to 30 degrees. Now, for the BCD, this is x plus 15. So, this is x plus 15. Ito yun, guys. Also, si ABC, we have ABC is 3x plus 10. Ito yun. So, ABC. Kanina, BCD. And this ABC is 3x plus 10. So, here we have 3x plus 10. Now, so ito guys, walang sukat ito. Pero automatic, since parehas lang silang dalawa, if this is x plus 15, this is also x plus 15 degrees. Okay? So, based on the definition of the quadrilateral, the total interior angles or the total sum of all the interior angles in a quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degrees. Kaya ang gagawin natin, i-add lang natin lahat ito and equal natin sa 360. Or, if you want, itong tatlo lang i-add natin, then, instead of 360, 330 na lang. Kasi meron na tayong 30 dito. But then, general principles tayo, no? I-add natin lahat and we'll find out ano ang sukat ng remaining 3 angles na to. Okay, so i-add lang natin. We have now this one. We have 3x plus 10 plus dalawang x plus 15. So we have now x plus 15 plus x plus 15 and then plus 30 degrees. That is now total of 360. Now, combining like terms na lang tayo. We have 3x plus x plus x. We have now 5x. And then 10 plus 15. We have 25 plus 15. We have now 30. Okay? Okay? Sorry, 40. So, 10 plus 15 is 25 plus 15. We have now 40. So, plus 30. We have 30 here. Then equal to 360. So also 40 plus 30 is 70. So we have 5x equals 360 minus, we have 70. Lipat natin sa kabila ito. Then we have now 5x is equal to 360 minus 70. We have now 290. And divide it both sides by 5. So cancel yan. And that will be x is equal to 290 divided by 5. That will give us 58. Our value for x is equal to 58. Now, so para makuha natin yung mga value ng angles, all we have to do is to substitute the value of x for the equation. So we have now 3 times 58 since 3x plus 10 ito. Okay? So we have 3 times 58 is 174 plus 10, we have 184. Okay, medyo hindi ito guys makatotohanan pagdating sa measurement of angles, no? Pero this is just only an example, okay? Example lang naman po ito guys. Kasi hindi ito aabot ng 180 dapat. Because this is not a straight angle. Pero since this is only an example, pwede naman po. Okay, now so x plus 15, we have, so x plus 15 now is 58 plus 15, we have now 73. Okay? So, 73 here. So, let's find out lang kung magto-total siya ng 360 degrees. So, we have now 184 plus 73 plus 73, and plus 30, we have now, then 6, then 360 degrees. Okay? So, ano lang ha, i-correct lang natin guys, yung angle dito sa taas ay hindi dapat siya aabot ng 180. Pero this is just only an example. So, may mga problem kasi guys na dapat hindi talaga ito aabot ng 180. Okay? So, sana po sa other examples, makorek natin ito. Pero, since this is the given, pinakita lang natin na kung paano mahanap natin yung mga different angles. Pero sa ibang problem, automatic guys, this is less than 180 degrees. Pero ang total pa rin dito, always 360 degrees. Okay guys, so this is just the set or other problems involving quadrilaterals. No? So hindi naman po lahat ito present dito. But then, I hope may naintindihan pa rin kahit papano sa apat na problems na pinresent natin. Okay? Sa susunod na video guys, pag-usapan natin yung ibang mga aspect of quadrilateral, especially sa side ng trapezoid. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang guys ang video natin. And thank you for watching. See you again sa next video. This is Sir Ed. Ciao!